we are welcome back. Okay, so these are the questions we have. Okay, and these questions here, this question 1 is purely multiplications of 2 and 3 complex number. Multiplications of 2 different complex number. And the last one here is a multiplications of 3 different complex number. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So let's dive into the solutions to those questions. Okay? And I want to take us to memory lane, note that if you have this, cos theta 1, I sine 1, cos theta 1 plus I sine theta 1 times cos theta 2 plus I sine theta 2. Okay, when you are doing multiplication, it's very simple. Your answer is what? Is cos theta 1 plus theta 2, and then plus what? Plus I sine theta 1 plus theta 2. So that's all what you need in multiplying 2 complex number. Solution to A part, this one, we have cos 2 theta plus I sine 2 theta times cos 3 theta plus I sine 3 theta. So that will be equal to cos 2 theta or 3 theta, and then plus I sine 2 theta plus what? 3 theta, cos 5 theta plus I sine 5 theta. And if you look at the standard rules, this one, that's theta 1, this also is also theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 2. Just apply that. When you are multiplying, it's going to give you cosine of additions of the 2 different angles, plus what? I sine additions of the 2 different angles. The B part, that will be cos 3 pi over 11 plus this second one, 8 pi over 11, close that, then I sine 3 pi over 11 plus 8 pi over 11. So that's what you're going to have in that case. And the moment you do your additions of the angles, this and this must be the same thing. 3 plus 8, that's 11 pi over 11. So that will give us a cos pi plus what? I sine. So this is a cos pi minus 1, that's 0. So we have this. Cosine of 180 pi is minus 1, and this one is 0. So we have that. The C part, we have to take care of the modulus. 3 is here, 2 is here. That will be 3 times 2. That's the first thing we do there. Then, and that will what? Cos pi over 4, and then plus the second one, plus pi over 12, and then plus I sine pi over 4 plus pi over 12. So this will be 6, then cos this one times 3, this one times 3. So I have 3 pi plus pi, that's 4 pi over 12, and then I sine 4 pi over 12. So that's what we have now. So the final thing, just punch your calculator and get the final conclusion. Yeah, for D, it's going to be this one, the modulus here times the modulus here. That's root 18. Okay. Then we have cos theta 1, which is a minus pi over what? Over 12. Then theta 2 is what? Plus what? Plus pi over what? Over 3. Close that. Then plus I sine. The same thing also, whatever you have here, that's minus pi over 12 plus pi over 3. Okay? So that's what we have. So this one will give you 3 root 2, and this will give you this one, that's root 2 over 2, and plus root 2 over what? Over 2. Okay? These two here, that's a pi over 4, yeah, which is 45. That will give you 1 over root 2, which is same as root 2 over 2. The same thing also here is also 4 cos pi over 4 sine pi over 4, they are the same thing. So we can open the bracket here. This will be what? This will become 3 root 2 times root 2, that's what? 2 over 2. And then plus this one times I 2 over 2. So this place will give us what? 3. We have 3 here. Here we have same thing also, that will be plus what? I and 3. The E part, we have this one, this one, and this one. So the first thing we do is to multiply the modulus 6 times 5, and then times that with 6 times 5, and then times 1 over 3. Okay, that's the first thing to do there. Then you can open your brackets. So you can multiply as many complex numbers as possible. Okay, they are both cos, sine, cosine, sine. Okay, so in that case now it's going to be cos. Okay, since we have 3 of them, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Okay, the first one is what? Pi by 10. That's the first theta, that's theta 1. The second one, theta 2, that's a plus what? Pi over 3. The third one is 2 pi over 5 plus 2 pi over 5. Okay, so we finish that. That's theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Then plus the imaginary part. It will be the same thing. This one plus this one plus what? Plus this one. So that's that. So this one times this one, that's 30 over 3, that's 10. Okay, so over 6, so cos 5 pi over 6. Okay, then plus I sine 5 pi over 6. This one will be 10. This one minus 3 over 2. Then plus I sine. This one is what? 1 over 2 I. Okay, so we can allow this thing to come in 2 1, 2 5. So we have what? Minus 5 root 3, and then plus 5 r. So that's that on this question 1. So please, if you are new, if you are yet to subscribe on this channel, please, there's an icon on the video, click on it and subscribe. So as to keep track of the update of this channel. Click on the like button and begin to type your comments. On the final note, please share the link of this video on your social media platform. Okay, begin to do it now. You can share the links as many times as possible. Okay, keep sharing the links now. Keep sharing the links now. So let's go to question 2.